super saya. Hindi ko natin natatama talaga. Kasi parang siyempre feeling ko ito ba, makakapalan sa karuan. Pero sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-tayo mag-ito, mag-aral lang kayo. Siyempre, pwede Yamaha. Super enjoy, promise.
Kailangan yung Yamaha siyempre para makuha natin yung lahat ng mga safety na procedures na kailangan matandaan ng ating mga girls out there.
That's true. For a girl like me also, nakaka-inspire talaga yung video ni Nadine. Seeing her ride the motorcycle. Sabi namin sa video, kung kaya niya, kaya rin natin. And now for James naman, James, that you are part of the Yamaha family. Invite everyone to be part as well. Of course, to the
And I'm sure, lahat ng mga fans ninyo, gusto nila ng konting insight or info about what you guys did during Valentine's. So, James, what did you do para kay Nadine?
Well, yung Valentine's Day is Tokyo.
We were in Tokyo on Valentine's Day. So, very simple lang. At in Tokyo, magpunta kami sa park, and of course, dinner. Super saya. It was very, very simple. But then yun na, kasi nandun na kami sa favorite destination namin, which is Tokyo. It was my first time there, in Tokyo. Bakit ang favorite doon? I guess the culture, kasi ako, bata pa lang ako hindi na ako sa anime.
Okay.
So talagang, I grew up watching anime. Tapos talagang yung culture, yung Japanese culture talaga, gusto.
Ayan po actually sinabi, mga nakakakilig na ginawa ni James for you. I'm sure marami na. Pero if you were to pick one, what would it be?
The latest. Yung pinaka-sweetest, so actually, nakakatawa siyang story.
Okay.
Sweet siya pero nakakatawa. Kasi may nakita ko may sushi siya lang sa parang rain.
Okay.
Rain sa arcade.
Yes.
Ang cute kasi nga, so parang gusto kumukuha. Ang hirap niyang kuhanin. So talagang tinry na hanggang sa makuha niya. Tapos, yung tuna sushi yun. Tuna sushi yung tino. Eh, may kapartner na sa tempura. So, kinuha din na yung tempura.
So James, magkano ginastos pa po doon?
Malaki. Nakakailang attempts ka, James. How many attempts does it take for you to get like, and you know each other, okay?
No pressure, guys. No pressure.
No pressure naman.
Okay, very simple questions. I'm sure talagang alam niyo mga sagot niyo. Pinalaki mo magtutugman. Yung sagot nila ang dalawa. Okay, ay, first one.
No cheating, guys. Hindi ko sa mata pa lang. Alam niyo na eh. Nagkakaintindihan na kayo eh. Okay. First question. What or which do you prefer? Kisses or hugs?
Ano tingin nyo? Ano tingin nyo? Kisses or hugs? Just one. If you were to pick, ano pipiliin mo sa dalawa?
Kisses or hugs?
Whenever you guys are ready, ako, may pinalitan.
Oo nga eh.
Nagpalit. Ready?
Okay.
Sabay, sabay. Reveal it, sabay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Reveal!
Alright. Next question. What is James's favorite Yamaha Neo motorcycle?
Kung kanina si Nadine, ngayon si James naman. He also mentioned it a while ago.
Tsaka, dalawa rin ang binigay ni James kanina.
So, okay lang.
Pero okay lang, kahit isa.
Hindi okay?
Yes. Clue, bagay na bagay sa suot ni James ngayon.
Oo, tsaka yung isa, if I'm not mistaken, i-mention din kanina yung Nadine.
Oo, parang may pareho yata kayo eh.
Si
Okay.
Nadine yung itsura parang, tama mo itong sinulat ko.
Alright.
Okay, let's reveal.
3, 2, 1. Wonderful!
Wow! Very good!
Sakto talaga.
Good job!
Buti na lang isa lang yung sinulat niya kasi hindi ko maalala yung isa.
Buti na lang tumama.
So far, 5 points na!
Sino ang mas sweet sa inyong dalawa?
Kasi feeling ko both.
I'm sure both.
Sino sa tingin mo mas sweet? Lahat sila James. Bakit gano'n na din? Okay.
Ay, ano nangyayari dito? Ha?
Walang cheating, walang cheating. nag-argue kami. Nag-argue na kami kasi alam na namin kung anong sasagot namin. Basta importante kasi.
Okay, ang importante, when you reveal, you guys have the same answer.
Alright?
Tignan
Ready?
natin.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Show us your answer.
Okay, explain your sides. Explain your sides.
Okay. Sabi ko sa'yo mag-argue kami dito.
No, because I know she's going to say me.
Alam mo yung sagot dito eh. What is your term of endearment? Lalo natin iba pa rin alam yun. Nagtato na.
Bakit ka natatawa, James?
There's more than one.
Ano
Pero
sa
there's more than alam nila.
I think asking for...
Pero isa lang alam nila. So there's more. Sige.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then later on, tatanungin namin, ano pa yung iba?
Oo.
So, ako yung iba, kaya lang kasi kailangan same kami ng sagot, diba?
Sige, you guys reveal the answer and then you guys finish on the other ones afterwards.
Oh,
Okay.
oh no, I don't know. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Your heart, you need to hit. Your heart, it's limited. I need the sweeter one.
So, just because we said that that's correct.
Yes, that's
And
correct.
I will take that.
Okay. So, bakit pa sweet si Nadine, James?
Bakit?
Oo, bakit siya yung answer niyo pareho? Bakit pareho niyong alam na siya yung mas sweet?
Wala. She's just sweet.
Mas makulit kasi.
Mas makulit.
Tsaka mas hindi, showy, mas showy, mas showy, tsaka mas mas nangiinis.
Ako yung mas romantic, pero siya yung mas sweet.
Mas,
Okay. That makes sense. That makes
Maganda
sense.
naman